Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Brittany, aka Britt Shannae, and today y'all, we are going to be baking. So I don't even bake that often. I honestly don't know the last time I have baked, but I thought it would be fun to like make some snacks and treats, especially since it's the holiday season. So I'm going to be making Rice Krispie treats today. So I'm gonna put a twist on the Rice Krispie treats. I saw somebody who had a video and they like added cinnamon and vanilla to theirs. So I'm gonna make 2 batches of Rice Krispie treats. One's gonna be with cinnamon and vanilla and the other one's gonna be plain. But yes, so let's first get started on the Rice Krispie treats. We're gonna hop right into it. So the ingredients for the Rice Krispie treats, one, include Rice Krispie cereal. This is a must. I mean, you don't have to use Rice Krispie cereal, the Kellogg's brand. You can use off-brand or whatever. But I was in Walmart and this is what they had. So Rice Krispie cereal. I also have pure vanilla extract and cinnamon seasoning. And I have 2 bags of marshmallows. So this is the Jet Puff mini marshmallows. You can use any brand of marshmallows as well. It's going to melt the same, honestly. And also I have butter because I need to use 1 tablespoon of butter per batch. So yes, it's a really simple recipe. I mean, I looked it up and it's like more simple than I thought. So yeah, we're just gonna hop right into it. So I'll also be using this pot, which is pretty deep, as you guys can see. I'll be using this to mix all my ingredients together. So this is a 1-pot meal, basically. Like the butter will melt in here and then the marshmallows and then the cereal will mix it together and put it on a baking sheet. So the first step we have to do is melt a tablespoon of butter in the pot. So first of all, y'all, I was today years old when I found out that butter sticks have tablespoon measurements on them. I just never knew that. I never knew that. So I've added my butter to the pot and you just want to like let it melt, basically. I'm a baker. So yeah, the butter actually melts pretty quickly, and then after it melts, you want to add your marshmallows. So this is a 10-ounce bag of marshmallows. I got the mini, but I don't think it matters. You can get the big ones or the small ones. So once the marshmallows are in, you basically just want to keep stirring because it's going to melt down quick. So guys, I was a little wrong. You're supposed to add 3 tablespoons of butter. I added 1. So you can see, that's a big difference. So now I added the correct amount of butter and I'm just stirring it. I'm stirring it in the pot and just letting everything melt down. So like I said, this is a really quick recipe. Like this stuff melts down quick. So with the marshmallows and stuff, you don't want it to stick to the pot. So you want to keep stirring. So y'all make sure y'all add the right amount of butter because it's important. As you guys can see, this is the pot. This is the consistency of, you know, the marshmallows and everything like that. So you just want to keep stirring until it melts down. So now guys, like I said, this is going to be a little different. So I'm adding vanilla and cinnamon to this recipe. So I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And 1/3 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. So now I'm going to add my cinnamon in. And this is just, like I said, 1/3 of a teaspoon. Not too much because it is a stronger spice. And that's just going to give it a little bit of flavor in, y'all. And then I'm going to add my Rice Krispie treats in. So that is 6 cups of Rice Krispies that I'm going to be using. So as you can see, everything's pretty much well coated. So now I'm going to head over to the baking sheet so we can lay everything out. I just spread everything out. It is sticky, so it is going to take a little bit of time, but just keep spreading. So I'm going to be using some cinnamon sugar and sprinkling it on top, just like a dusting. Alright y'all, so now I'm going to just like take a butter knife and score the Rice Krispie treats. Y'all, I just scored and cut these into, as you can even see in the camera, I cut these into squares, and so it's been sitting for like probably 5 minutes now, like out the pot. So basically it's done. Now I'm going to take one out just to show y'all what it's looking like. Oh, can you see that? So now this is one of the Rice Krispies that I made. So we're gonna try it right now for you on camera. That's cinnamon sugar for me. Just pick one. Okay. Ooh. It's the dusting of the cinnamon sugar for me. It is. Oh, so yummy. You want to try a piece? Mm-hmm. Here. Mm-hmm. Dang. Is it good? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Do you have another piece? You had one piece though. Y'all, these are good. I'm gonna make one more batch. But I'm gonna make it as a regular batch without the cinnamon sugar. But it's good. Kay, is it good?
Yeah.
Thumbs up? Okay. But yeah, so these are actually really good. Like I said, so it's a really quick recipe, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. It was the filming it for me. The filming it made it a little bit more difficult because I had to move the camera a few different ways, and I was like, girl, this stuff is quick. Come on. But yeah, so next we're gonna make one more batch of the Rice Krispies. I'm just gonna set the camera in one place and probably like have it fast forwarded so you guys can see what I'm doing. But you know, I'm not gonna speak on that one.
We gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day.
So we have the final result of the second batch of Rice Krispies. Honestly, these ones are way more like, you know, soft and gooey. Like, I'm gonna show you guys. Well, first of all, let me give you guys a look at like what it's looking like. So as you can see, they look really tasty, and I've already had people try them and they're good. But yeah, so I think the difference between my first batch and my second batch was that I used the same exact ingredients other than the cinnamon and the vanilla extract I used in my first batch, because these are just plain Rice Krispies. But I think I wasn't prepared for like how fast they were gonna start to set on my first batch, so I think I just left them a little bit too long before I like laid them into the baking sheet. But they were still good. Other than that, I think my first batch just hardened a little bit more than I would like it to, and these ones are way more just soft and gooey. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how they look breaking apart, and I'm gonna try them because I haven't tried this batch yet. That's how it's looking, and we're just gonna pull it apart. Oh. Yeah, these are way more like soft and gooey, but I will say that I like the flavoring of the first Rice Krispies better. Like that cinnamon and vanilla really added some type of like a good flavor. And I like cinnamon flavor anyway, so I think that added like a little pizzazz to the top. So yeah, I think that I like the flavoring of the first batch better, but I like the gooiness of these better. Yeah, these are good though, y'all. So I would definitely suggest for y'all to make these at home because it's such a simple recipe. Like anybody can make them. If I can make them, you can definitely make them. So I would suggest you try these at home. And if you do, or if you like have some type of cute recipe or baking recipe that you guys want me to try, then let me know in the comments below because I'm willing to, you know, maybe do a little bit more cooking on my channel, like cooking videos, because y'all, I'm not like a cook. So like, you know, I'll just see, I'll see how I feel if those type of things come in. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next Vlogmas video. Bye.